adjustable fill valve. Characteristics: anti-syphon, long lifespan, super silent, high pressure resistant, high standard, strong suitability. Fill valve installation method. 1. First, take down fill valve buckle, then turn fill valve to the left. Adjust the fill valve up and down to the appropriate height. Turn fill valve to the right. Final, take on fill valve buckle to fix it. 2. Take off hexagon nut and a flat gasket. 3. Pull the fill valve into the hole vertically and put on the hexagon nut and a flat gasket. Adjust the fill valve to avoid closing the system wall and lid. Final, lock the nut until it's not leaking. Attention, please don't use the wrench. 4. Please put the water supply pipe into overflow pipe, a flush valve if needed, adjusting the water to fit the water level. 5. There is a filter to prevent objects into fill valve. Take the filter out and wash it when there is slow water filling or no water filling. Then put the filter on again.